What is the alternative to Empower Cash Advances is a question that many individuals are asking due to the increasing need for financial assistance. Empower Cash Advances are a type of short-term loan that provides individuals with quick access to cash but often comes with high interest rates and fees. The alternative to Empower Cash Advances can be categorized into two main types: personal loans and non-loan options. Personal loans are offered by various financial institutions and can be used for any purpose. They often have lower interest rates and fees compared to cash advances. Non-loan options include asking friends or family for help, using savings, or reducing expenses to free up more money in the budget. Another alternative is to use credit cards. But this should be done with caution as it can lead to debt if not managed properly. Some best practices to consider when looking for alternatives to Empower Cash Advances include creating a budget to understand where the money is going and identifying areas where costs can be cut. It is also important to build an emergency fund to avoid the need for cash advances in the future. In addition, individuals can consider using cash flow management tools to help manage their finances and avoid going into debt. It is also important to do research and compare different options before making a decision. Individuals should also be aware of the risks associated with cash advances and the importance of reading the fine print before signing any agreement. By considering these alternatives and best practices, individuals can make informed decisions about their financial situation and avoid the high costs associated with Empower Cash Advances. In conclusion, there are several alternatives to Empower Cash Advances that individuals can consider, including personal loans and non-loan options. By being aware of these options and following best practices, individuals can manage their finances effectively and avoid debt.